Everyone, welcome to an exciting session on how to make money in 2023 with $0 investment, utilizing the power of YouTube automation and AI. Today, we'll explore the endless possibilities AI offers in growing your YouTube channel and generating passive income without spending a single dime. Let's dive right in. On understanding YouTube automation. First things first, let's understand the concept of YouTube automation. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized content creation, audience engagement, and video optimization. By leveraging AI tools, creators can automate various tasks, saving time and effort, while increasing overall efficiency. 2. Identifying your niche. 8. To begin your journey, you need a niche. Choose a topic you're passionate about and one that resonates with your potential audience. Remember, creating content on subjects you love will keep you motivated throughout the process. 3. Ad-powered content creation. Now, let's harness the true power of AI for content creation. AI writing tools can assist you in generating video scripts, captivating titles, and creating eye-catching thumbnail designs. This ensures that your content is top-notch and engaging, even if you're not a professional writer or designer. 4. Video production with AI. Up next, video production. Don't worry if you lack video editing skills. AI video editors are here to help. These advanced tools allow you to edit and produce high-quality videos effortlessly. Simply select the clips and let AI handle the rest, saving you time and resources. 5. AI-driven video SEO. So we've created compelling content, but how do you get it noticed? AI comes to the rescue again. AI-driven video SEO tools analyze trends, keywords, and viewer behavior, suggesting relevant tags, titles, and descriptions. This optimization enhances your video's visibility and increases the chances of reaching a broader audience. 6. AI for audience engagement. Engaging with your audience is crucial for long-term success. AI chatbots can assist in answering common questions, engaging with comments, and building rapport with your viewers, all while you focus on creating more content. 7. Monetization strategies. Ed. Now let's talk about monetization. As your channel gains traction and fulfills YouTube's requirements, AI-driven ads can be strategically placed in your videos, generating revenue based on impressions and clicks. Additionally, you can explore brand collaborations and affiliate marketing to boost your income further. 8. Embracing growth and persistence. Building a successful YouTube channel requires persistence and dedication. It might take time to see significant results, but don't get discouraged. Stay consistent, analyze your performance, and make improvements based on data and viewer feedback. Review websites and apps. Another way to make money online for free is to review websites for cash. Some companies offer people payments and free products to leave testimonials on their sites. Other businesses pay people to examine the quality and performance of their website. When reviewing websites, you'll usually examine the site's functionality and how fast it loads. The amount you earn will be dependent on the marketplace you work with and the testing methods you use. In most instances, you'll earn more if you're willing to do one-on-one testing sessions with clients over video conferencing. Here are some companies you can join. User testing for app, website, and user experience testing. Try Me UI for impression and survey-based testing. Testbirds for digital product, store, and mobile app testing. None of these companies require you to pay a sign-up fee, so you can start reviewing websites and making money without any investment. As we conclude today's session, we hope you feel inspired to embark on your YouTube journey without any upfront investment. Utilize the power of AI-driven automation, create valuable content, and engage with your audience. Remember, with passion, creativity, and determination, you can make money in 2023 through YouTube automation using only AI. Thank you for joining us, and until next time.